A curious maker enters a bright kitchen to explore 4 mini science adventures that are safe, simple, and endlessly curious. First, slime and putty variations use common household ingredients like glue, saline solution, and color, with glitter for sparkle. Next, a safe volcano uses baking soda and vinegar with food coloring, while explaining acid-base reactions that fizz and foam. Then a magnet maze shows how magnets pull everyday items through a pretend obstacle course, emphasizing magnetic fields and safety. Finally, glow experiments use tonic water or highlighter solution under dim light to reveal fluorescence while nodding UV safety.